More molestation charges have surfaced against Monojit Mishra, the prime accused in the South Calcutta Law College gang rape case. Another female student has accused him of molestation and threatening during a college event in 2023. According to her allegation, Manojit dragged her, tried to undress her. However, he fled the alleged crime scene when he was interrupted. New shocking details have come out in the Kolkata gang rape case. Police said that the accused used an inhaler not to help but to revive the girl and continue assaulting her. The court has extended police custody of 3 accused, including Manojit Mishra, till July 8. Mishra has a criminal past. Fresh updates have emerged in the Ahmedabad Air India plane crash case. According to Bloomberg, the simulator test repeated aircraft's parameters and indicated a possible technical fault as one reason for the mashup. However, the exact cause of crash involving AI-171 is still not confirmed officially. Asia Cup 2025 is set to begin on September 5 in the UAE and will continue for 7 days in T20 format. India will face Pakistan on September 7. BCCI retains hosting rights. The final may be played on September 21. Public reactions online are mixed due to the recent terror tensions. Ahead of turning 90, the foreign Dalai Lama announced that his successor will be selected as per the Tibetan Buddhist tradition. Speaking from Dharamshala, he declared that only his trust has the right to choose the next Dalai Lama. He strongly rejected China's interference in the selection process. Just hours after becoming the UNSC president for July, Pakistan raised the Kashmir issue once more. India strongly objected, calling it propaganda and the misuse of Pakistan's symbolic UN role. New Delhi said this move harms peace efforts and only spreads false anti-India narratives on a global platform. Bangladesh Foreign Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has been sentenced for 6 months in jail for contempt of court. The International Crimes Tribunal gave this punishment based on a purported viral video clip where she allegedly said she has a license to kill 227 people. Her jail term will begin after the surrender or arrest. President Donald Trump on Tuesday said violent US-born criminals should also be deported during a visit to a migrant detention center in Florida. He said people who hit others with baseball bats or stab them must be removed from the country. Trump added many of them are born Americans but still dangerous. He also cited serious crime incidents in New York, citing them intentional, not accidents. A Japan airline Boeing 373 from Shanghai to Tokyo made an emergency landing at Kansai Airport after dropping nearly 26,000 feet due to a mechanical issue. Panic spread among the 191 passengers on board when oxygen masks were deployed on the flight. No injuries were reported in the flight scare, and authorities have launched an investigation to find the cause. Abu Bakr Siddiqui, a terrorist who placed a bomb, former Deputy PM Lal Krishna Advani in 2011 at Madurai, has been arrested from Andhra Pradesh after being on the run for nearly 30 years. Tamil Nadu anti-terror squad caught him with help of central agencies. He was wanted in multiple bomb blasts and communal killing. Kerala BJP President Rajiv Chandrasekhar has accused the Congress party for appeasement politics. He said Congress is working with Jamaat-e-Islam in southern states and Imarat-e-Sharia in Bihar. He claimed Congress talks of secularism but joins hands with such groups only for political benefits, ignoring national interest and public concerns. In Uttar Pradesh, Badaयूं, a Hindu teacher has filed a police complaint against Muslim clerk Papan Pia, accusing him of forcing her and her 5-year-old daughter to convert to Islam. She claims her husband and in-law are already converted. Police have registered an FIR and are investigating the case. In Jaipur, a fresh controversy has started after 3 mazars were found inside the campus of a Maharani college. Heritage groups claim these are the recent encroachments and demanded their removal. They say religious structures should not be allowed in educational institute. The college authorities have not yet responded to the issue. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu accused former CM Jagan Mohan Reddy of promoting violence and dishonesty. At a pension event in Kovur, Naidu slams Jagan's envoy for allegedly hitting a man in Palnadu and not helping. The victim, C. Sangya, died later. Naidu called it inhuman, says Jagan's team treated the man like a dog and let him die without aid. Indian origin NASA astronaut Anil Menon has officially chosen as a flight engineer for Expedition 75 to the International Space Station. He will launch to June 26 from Kazakhstan on Russia's Soyuz MS-29 spacecraft alongside 2 Russian cosmonauts. He will spend 8 months doing scientific research and space technology tests.